Hey everybody. So Mrs.Native did my face paint in henna, and I keep forgetting about it. So people keep giving me these looks, and they keep staring at my face like I'm a fucking weirdo. And I'm like, why are they looking at me like that? And I'm like, oh yeah, I look like a psycho to them. But stay tuned. Having a beach day with Mrs.Native. Hey, cooking a cowboy steak with some dinosaur barbecue and rib rub. We're gonna go ahead and cook it on a rock. Look at how delicious that came out. Oh. Alright everybody, until next time, get out there, be a native. Go beast.